And what's happening, YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back in our video. Today we're looking at a wire-free peephole doorbell by EZVIZ. Here we go. First things first, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button if you want to get one of these. I'll link this down below. So let's go ahead and open this up and see how well it does. Here we go. Now we've reviewed other EZVIZ products here before, and they're pretty good. So today we're looking at a wire-free peephole. For those of you who doesn't have a peephole, I happen to don't have actually a peephole on my door, and today we're gonna install one. You can see here we have the screen right there, wire free, I guess that's what they say. Show you how to install it today as well and how well it does. So this is the actual camera that goes into your peephole, as you can see there. Pretty nice. Inside here, it comes with the instruction manual right there, service card or whatever that is. It has the cable, charging cable right here. There it is, and a few screws to fit any doors. How thick your doors are. And that's it. Let's put this away. That's all the pieces that you get in the box. Now let's go ahead and install it. Here we go. So this is what the hole looked like. I had to drill a little bit more, bigger. And just gotta take off this 3M tape right here and stick it on our door. So it's pretty much like this, and then you're just gonna hold your door here. Make sure that is square, and you're just gonna push it in onto your door. This is the front. This is what it looks like. So basically this part right here, you need to slip the cord in there. You might need to drill out a bigger hole for the peephole, just in case. I had to drill a little bit more, but just it works out. Now in the back, you'll need to install this, which is the plate where the screen goes. And prior to that, you're gonna put the wires right through here so that you can, pretty much this is gonna mount like so. So make sure that you have enough wire for it. Again, depending on how thick your walls are or your doors are, we're just gonna use the smallest one for mine here. So you see inside there's a screw hole. There's two actually. So we're just gonna use the screws that we got, and stick those in there, and then we can adjust it up and down depending on where we want our camera to sit. I'll probably have it like lower. And once it is all done, it should look like this. As you can see, just tighten right there, and the wires are down here. We can then tuck that into this area right here and then close it with the cover. It should look like this once it's all done. And last but not least, put your screen on there like so, and pretty much just slides in so that you can take it off when you need to charge it. There it is. So as you can see, this is the camera right here, and what we can do now is go to settings here, go to network, and connect it to Wi-Fi. As you can see here, you'll be able to connect this to a Wi-Fi network without any problems. It's pretty intuitive. It's not like the best software, but it does work well. As you can see here, there's proximity screen on if enabled when humans are detected. You can turn that on as well. Right there, screen brightness, you could change screen timeout duration, day and night depending on what it is. If it's too dark, then it'll go to night mode. Pretty cool. Monitoring, as you can see here, working mode is user mode, which you can change to performance mode, power saving mode, to extend your battery life, ultra power saving mode. That way it won't, but that one won't record any videos. And that's it. There's also intelligent detection, as you can see here. PRI detection, medium sensitivity. You can have human detection as well. There you go. Medium sensitivity right there. And then there's the alarm sound if it detects humans. It's also the battery here. As you can see, it'll tell you how to charge it. Storage. There you go. You need to have a micro SD card for this to work. The micro SD is on the left side of the device. So you just insert one there so that you can save some recordings and you'll be able to review it later on. On the other side, there's the micro USB slot to charge the device. This is what the front camera looks like. As this part right here, kind of sensors, camera in the front, and also a doorbell right there. Pretty cool. And some speakers on the side as well. I think that's more of a mic though, so that you can talk to the person. I've also added some photos here so that you can see how well it does during the day and during the night. I also have videos here as well. Now the app we're looking at is the EZVIZ app, and it's pretty intuitive. It's pretty easy to also go in and out using Face ID. They also have add new device here for whatever equipment you have from them. Be able to do that without any problem whatsoever. On the app as well, as you could see, you'll be able to see the if you have the cloud play. I have it expired right now, but if you have one, you can be able to see the history here of people with intelligent motion sensor as well. You'll be able to see that there. If you have a micro SD, you'll be able to see that as well locally, so you don't have to have the cloud play. And that's it for today, everyone. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. If you want to subscribe, go ahead and do that. Hit the like button. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.